Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change alphanumeric password to pin lock password for phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, lock our phone and try to unlock our phone. It asking for a password, that is alphanumeric password. I have already set in my phone. So here to unlock my phone, I need to give that alphanumeric password and click on done. Now I would like to change alphanumeric password to pin lock password. So what I have to do is go to the settings of your phone, then go to lock screen, then click on screen lock type and give your current password to authenticate. So here I give my password Prince45 and click on continue. Now I would like to change password to pin, so I go to select pin here and type desired pin. Here I would like to type desired pin 2018 and click on continue. Again I type 4-digit, minimum 4 digits should be used, 4-digit pin I used here. Type the same pin to verify, click on OK, and it is asking for turn on remote unlock. I don't want to use it. If you also don't want to use it, just click on cancel and go to home screen and lock your phone. Now your current lock will be pin. Okay, so you go to enter your pin to unlock your phone. Pin now I set is 2018. Click on OK. Yes. So in this way you can easily change from alphanumeric password to pin lock password for phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.